Hey guys, welcome back to JD Rides. I'm talking a little soft right now because everyone at my place is asleep. I have some awesome news, guys. We are finally doing a trip. Last bike trip I did was to Kodaikanal on my Z900. Now we are going to Malpe Beach on my MT-09, so I'm super excited for this trip. As of now, the time is 11:30. It's a Wednesday night. Thursday morning after the Ayudh Puja around 10 a.m. I'm leaving. Anyway, I'm excited. I'll see you guys in the morning when we get ready to leave. So boys, we are all set for the trip. Look, bike is ready. Rhinox tank bag damaged from the tail tidy. I'm wearing a backpack right now. So let's go. All set. I'll explain what is happening on the trip in a bit. Guys, I can't believe it that we're finally doing a trip, man. Finally after. You guys have no idea, man. I don't think I mentioned it in my vlogs, but I wanted to do a trip on this bike so bad. Finally, it's happening. I'm so happy. So boys, we're in Nice Road. Look at this, empties over here, and we're on a road trip. To Malpe Beach. I am so excited. I'm using the same Rhinox, Magnapod, and I have a backpack. In these two things, actually, everything is there. In this, if you notice, there's very little stuff, just wallet and charger and cables and stuff. Rest all clothes, everything is in my bag. I pack really light. Super excited. So bike is at 19,116. So basically that car, my family is there, my brother, my mom and my dad and my families, and we have a family friends, whole family also in that car. So the thing is, the whole plan changed multiple times. It was supposed to be a solo ride, then my parents wanted to come, they booked a place elsewhere. They luckily didn't find the same place in mine, the same resort I'm staying. Then Ray also is coming on his 10-hour. I hate Nice Road for how bumpy it is, but it's so beautiful. I'm so glad the sky finally cleared up, man. Like, all these days, the skies, like Bangalore weather's really been scaring me so much. Like, all these days until the day of my trip, I was super scared. Like, oh my god, what about the weather and everything? But now the sky has finally cleared up on the day that I'm going on my trip. Yeah, anyway, guys, I'm going to vlog with a lot of excitement. Don't mind that. So, boys, we have gotten off Nice Road. We're now in Hassan Road. Peaceful ride. Getting an average of 17.3. That's because I've been belting, riding like an idiot, because this is just the beginning of the trip and there's a lot of excitement. Once the excitement reduces, that's when the mileage will pick up. I'm telling you guys, it will definitely touch 20. The mileage will touch 20 pakka in this trip, hopefully. I told too much now. And guys, just to make it clear, I'm not willing to bring my family into my vlogs and everything, because, I enjoy my privacy. There's a certain level of privacy that I enjoy. You guys know that. Especially my Insta fam. Everyone who's on Instagram, who's connected on JD Rides, you guys would know that. I know, like, there's a whole concept of family vlogging, and it's very wholesome and it's really sweet. And I myself watch, like, Saurabh Joshi. It's really nice to watch his vlogs, but I don't think I am up for it. And I don't know, guys. Like, there's a lot of variables in that. Drizzled for a bit actually, and it was just one dark cloud, guys. If you notice, it's fairly clear itself. There are quite a few clouds, but they're not that dark. So it was just one ugly stretch, like one cloud that was ruining it for everyone. So I knew that, and I just belted one stretch. That's why the mileage I'm getting is 18.9, but since I belted that one stretch, it's 18.9. Otherwise it would have touched 19 by now. Again it's drizzling. What the hell is this weather, bro? I thought this is only Bangalore. And I don't know, guys, this was it was supposed to be solo ride. That also didn't happen. My friends were supposed to come. That also didn't happen. Like, it's in between. I'm riding with my family, but I'm a solo biker. And my friends are coming, but not today, tomorrow. Bangalore 258. I think for us it's a 420 exactly. Awesome number. We've done 101 kilometers exactly. So another 319 to go. And I'll see you guys after a few more kilometers. So guys, stopped here at Dhruvatare. I kept saying that we used to chill at Dhruvatare, but Dhruvatare isn't even the right restaurant. We stopped at Mayura, but I got confused. Anyway, MT is here. I'm navigating. Look at my sexy wire management, cable management, whatever. 6 hours, 31 minutes, and 312 kilometers to go. And I'm going through Agumbe Ghat, which is what I was looking forward to a lot. That Ghat section is very, very famous, so we're going to go through that. And I'm starting to love these gloves, how they look, but in terms of protection also they're good, there's no doubt about it, but in terms of the comfort, man, it's really lacking the comfort. And look at this keychain. This my girlfriend gifted it to me. I always take it on trips. It's a little cheesy what I'm doing, but so let's go. Why is that guy blocking my view and then telling me to go? Got to tank up pretty soon. We've done 183 kilometers and we've got an average of 19.1. This is a smaller tank, man. This is I think 14 liters. The Z900 was 17 liters. So those 3 liters also actually make a difference. Like you do notice that the value of that 3 liters quite a bit. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Eating into my lane. So guys, when I didn't need fuel, there were fuel pumps every 2 kilometers. Now, when I need fuel, I couldn't find a single one. I had to, then I thought, okay fine, it'll be front like that. I kept coming 17 kilometers, my bike has been in reserve. It will go, don't worry. It's 2.8 liters, the reserve capacity. And with how I'm riding right now, we can expect at least 18 per liter. So we're good for at least 45-50 kilometers. But I don't want to use that last part of the fuel, Why is the GoPro not recording? Oh, battery over. Oh my god. Anyway guys, I want to go tank up now. So guys, our first fuel stop. Let me show you guys how many kilometers. So we have done 236 since the last full tank. And we put 12.55 liters. So I want to calculate the mileage, but my phone's inside. So 236 kilometers for 12.55. Now I will reset everything. I'll reset the trip as well as the average fuel mileage. By the way, I am around 28 kilometers ahead of my family who are coming in the car. We are around 258 kilometers away from the hotel, and I believe we'll need one more fuel stop definitely. So let's check what kind of mileage we get. So we are going to go through Agumbe Ghat. So that will be very nice. I think I will resume the vlog over there. Oh, did you guys even see my face through this whole vlog today? You can see it now. There it is. Very nice, no? So we have reached Hassan city, but I am not going through the city. I'm taking a bypass road. Many times I keep pranking my mom by telling her I'm going to Hassan on Sunday. When I just go to Kunnikal highway, go till Dhruvatare and come back. I tell her I'm coming till here just to psych her. So just another 230 kilometers. I'm not tired at all, to be honest. Like by now on the Z I would have actually felt fatigued. No, I'm good. I'm good on the MT. MT is way more comfy. There are a bunch of bikers over there who are riding together. Man, I want my friends to ride with me. Solo and all is fine, but this is neither solo. Friends are coming, but it's not really a ride with friends. Family is also coming, but it's not even a family trip. This is one of the weirdest trips. And I thought I'd say I'll have the weirdest trip in Kodai. Anyway, this fuel meter again, it's blinking for some reason. I don't know why that keeps happening. I don't know, man. Seriously. Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan. Oh, crazy campus, man. Nice bike parking. That's what I'd look for first when I'm joining a college. The accreditation and the rank and everything. Bike parking is safe. Is it safe? If it's safe, okay, I'll get in. I'll do some course. Yo guys, look at the sky ahead. Looks like it's going to rain properly. Be prepared for some heavy rains. Crazy. So look at that, bro. It's full sky from the left to the right. Dark, heavy clouds. It started raining, so that touch also isn't working now. I don't want to stop and try everything.